Okay, Corda, Dírach chun just Réamhrá a phlé, so an rud atá trish, an rud atá mníg dhéanamh an sád ná hógas ceist mariálar in a dachas. Now, as I mentioned earlier, normally a dachas is given with something else, so we see here Cábhaimsir is also mentioned. So cuasaí scoileachta, so his schooling, and cuasaí Cábhaimsir. So you will have to, it is a forked question, you will have to talk about both. So I would do 2 paragraphs on one and 1 paragraph on the other, or that's normally the best way. So when you're talking about point 1, point 2 and point 3, I would be doing it based off that 1 point in his schooling, maybe 2, and then his Cábhaimsir chuma. So again, you can start it off exactly like the sample answer on page 12. Gan áras ar be new ein tíam go duch daingan. Now, what the question actually is asking us here, okay, is tugan Dainín ke cúntas tanna bhachtúing cuasaí scoileachta agus cuasaí. So what you're answering then is that without a doubt I agree that he gives. Okay, so ein tíam go dugan. Then you're following it up with Dainín. Cúntas tanna bhach. So again, we're inserting folklore on gest and seo. So we are saying Godugan Dainín cúntas tanna bhachtúing cuasaí scoileachta agus cuasaí Cábhaimsir. Sa dírbhar snéis groundver deascríomha seo. Well written, funny autobiography. You could follow that up with gan áras tá cuimhní Dainín fear spéisiúil mar gheall cuasaí scoileachta agus cuasaí Cábhaimsir. A bhíige dá héal fad. So he had these memories, cuimhní memories, Dainín fear spéisiúil mar gheall Then you're following that up with point 1, point 2 and point 3, what you're going to talk about. Sa ceist pléigh mé, point 1, okay. Na hachtrí groundhra a hála dó agus sa bhanscoil, agus an taitneamh a bhain sé as an geardscoil. That would be point 1 and point 2. Fantastic. In éanach lei sin leabhróigh mé faoin bilgéalach agus an bhádóireacht. Agus an bailach a chuireann siad go mór leis an gúntas simúil faoi chéal Dainín ó sé. So leis an rud sin ile bheadh Réamhrá generalta ach ag an am céanna tá tú tuairt mionolalas. You're still giving mionolalas bunathe so specific information based on what you will be talking about. You're really setting yourself up for a very, very good question here.